Hey, YouTubers, it's Rob. But guys, good morning. I got worms. Hey, I'm doing some fishing. Thought I'd make my own worm farm. Went to the dollar store, got some plastic containers, little boxes, and put some holes in the ones on top and some bottle caps in the ones on the bottom so the top one won't slide down too far. That way the water can drain out from the top one to the bottom one. I cut a slot in the side, put some netting in so the dirt and the boxes will get some air, and that way I can stack them. And that's about it. Uh, don't feed them too much. Don't put too much water, and don't let it dry out. And oh, when I got my dirt at the store, they had some ants in it, so I put some boiling water in the boxes to get rid of the ants first, and let it sit overnight before I put the worms in. Um, I'll let you know how it works out, guys. Give it a try.